this video, I want to talk about how you can stack Temu, Cashback, Referral, and coupon credits. Now to do this, what you want to do is, first of all, you want to get some Temu credits. Now you can get these if you have refunded something, or you can play the games on the app. And once you've earned these credits, you can now stack these with a coupon code. So if you go to your profile and find your coupon codes, in here you should be able to see your coupons. Now you want to select your best one in here, and you should also have some credit balance if you played the games and you earned some of these. Then simply what you want to do is add something to your cart, go to the cart, click checkout, and once you're on the checkout page, what you want to do is just go to payment, and there should be some sections. One should be for your coupon code, and one should be for the discount to use your credits. So you just want to select the best coupon, you want to select use your credits, and then those two will stack together. Now also, if you have referred, so you have, let's say you're a new user, you will also get a huge referral in there, and you can also use this one and stack all of it together to get items for free or even really cheap. So this is the best way to do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.